TCS has finally announced their mass hiring competition through which they'll be hiring candidates up to 12 lakh rupees salary. Yes, you heard it right. Code Vita season 13 has been announced, and in this video I'll be covering about all the rounds, what you can expect, what kind of preparation you need to do, and the complete registration process also, because it's a bit complex. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And 80% of the students don't subscribe our channel. If this channel has helped you or is helping you in your career journey, make sure to subscribe because you will miss these kind of opportunities. Let's get started with this amazing video. So TCS Code Vita season 13 is announced, and who is eligible? All the college students who are in engineering or sciences background, irrespective of their branches. If you are from 26 to 27, 28, 29 batch in engineering, any particular branch, or MC or BCA student, basically the sciences background, then you are eligible for this particular competition, or any recognized institute across the globe. If they want to apply, they can also apply in this competition. It's one of the biggest programming contests across the globe, and the prize money is amazing. $20,000 will be given to the top 3 winners. And the most important part is TCS hire through this competition. They have 3 particular profiles, which is Prime, Digital Ninja, and the Prime profile. The package they provide is up to upwards of 12 lakh rupees or up to 12 lakh rupees, and it starts from 3.5 to 3.65 lakhs in Ninja, and digital profile is around 6 to 7 lakh rupees, which is amazing as a fresher. Right, so this is about the salary, this is about the eligibility. If you're an engineering student, make sure to apply. Now the registration process is a bit complex, because once you'll click on register, you'll have to register with your email, and then you'll also have to add your phone number and your Microsoft Authenticator. Also registration needs to be done. So make sure to follow this particular doc which they have shared here, and you'll have to download the Microsoft Authenticator app. You should not delete it until unless this season completes. Okay, once you'll complete the registration, you'll land here after completing the profile. These are the instructions to the competition. Let me talk about the rounds that will happen in the competition. There will be mock Vita round where you can practice what kind of questions can come, because it will be a 6-hour competition. There will be 2 rounds of 6 hours, which will be online, but later the third round, which will be the grand finale, it will be offline, and everything will be taken care by the TCS team only if you will get qualified. The dates and the time are still not decided. The round 1, zone 1, round 1, zone 1, and round 2 are the 2 rounds, online round, 6-hour coding competition. Now comes the preparation part. See, it will be a 6-hour long competition, so you cannot expect easy questions. There will be some easy question or easy medium question. The initial 2 or 3 questions will be easy to medium level question. I have shared complete resources so that you can prepare for similar questions which have come in the past, or similar practice sheets. For instance, Strivers A to Z sheet is a good practice sheet which you can use to qualify or to practice for TCS Code Vita. So the first 2-3 questions will be easy, medium level, but the 2-3 questions, basically the 4th, 5th, 6th question may be a bit harder, on the harder side, because obviously there will be a lot of candidates applying. So you can expect in the first half 2 or 3 problems, array, strings, or linked list, or maybe queue stacks, but in the later half you should expect a bit harder side of stack queues or trees or even graph related questions. And the most important thing, your performance in round 1 and round 2 decides whether you will get an interview call to get hired at TCS or not. So make sure you perform pretty well, or your 100% in the round 1 and round 2, because that is the only factor, or not just the only factor, but that's a very dominating factor which decides whether you'll get an interview call to get hired for the position that I have been talking in the past. They don't explicitly mention on the platform that they will be hiring, but in the past that is how they do it. If you have performed well in the programming competitions, you will get a chance to interview with TCS directly. On the day of this competition, if you log in, if you start the competition late, you will get less time. So make sure whatever time span is given for the competition, you will start as early as possible or at the time it begins, because if you start late, you will get less time to complete this particular competition. 6 questions, it's not that hard. You will be able to qualify it if you use the resources mentioned in my description. Code Vita competition, the questions tend to repeat on the previous year, so make sure you use the previous year questions to practice. They have also given on the platform itself some of the questions, or what kind of questions you can expect in the competition. They have given some sample problems. but you should go through the previous problems. I will share the complete list of problems that have come in the past in my Telegram group, so make sure you join the Telegram group. You will get updated with all the events and everything there itself. Right, that is done. A few more important things before I end this video. See, you have to be good at libraries. If you are using Java for coding, you have to be very aware of the collections library. If you are using C++, you should be aware of the STL library, because the questions may get tough, may get bigger, and you have to work fast on it to qualify. Because when it comes to mass hiring level, there will be a lot of competition and people will be doing a lot of things. So timing matters a lot. To make sure you do questions pretty quickly. We have talked about the eligibility, we have talked about the process. I'll repeat again, there will be 2 online rounds and then there will be a final round. You can practice via the mock vita rounds. The dates and timeline will be shared on the platform as well. Make sure you use the Authenticator app correctly to log in, and do not delete it until the season completes. TCS hires 3 profiles, all are good. It's a great start for your career. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Again, I'll say 80% of the people don't subscribe. If this channel is helping you in your career, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss these opportunities. And I have shared many AI tutorials in the past. Thanks for giving an amazing response. Please do check out them also. If you have any doubts, please join our Telegram group for any questions, and you will find all the resources and the apply link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.